Hello and welcome. I'm standing on the side of the barn because it's a little bit windier on that side. It's 66 degrees out today. Kind of blue skies, but kind of not. Doesn't really know what to do. I'm in short sleeves and I have shorts on. First shorts of the year. Wow. Couple things I want to talk about. I'm thinking about changing up the YouTube name again. It's not that I dislike It's a Car Guy thing, but I want something to be a little bit more like my own. And I thought about, well, actually I heard it from my parents. They were talking about inventing like this bike race called Tar and Chip. And for some reason that name like really stuck out to me, and I'm considering changing my YouTube channel to that, Tar and Chip. And it's unique to me because this is where, I grew up, on these tar and chip roads. Basically, it's not normal asphalt, and I just think it's unique. I think it's kind of cool. I don't really know if they'll actually do that or not. But yeah, if you guys have any opinion on that, let me know. And I think it'd be kind of cool to have like my YouTube banner be, Tar and Chip Road, BMW, Allie's BMW, Pam, just kind of whatever. And my channel isn't always about cars, so I feel like it'd be kind of cool to change it up. But yeah, we'll see what happens, I guess. But I gotta show you guys this product. So Allie came over this weekend, and I was watching her BMW. She has a BMW now too, by the way. It's a 328i. Same year, black, almost like identical to mine. It's pretty awesome, we're matching. But I was washing her vehicle, and I usually like to spray a drying aid on it when the vehicle isn't protected. It doesn't have some kind of paint protection on it, so that it doesn't water bead, right? So I usually spray a drying aid, and the normal stuff that I used, I was out of. I used it up the other day. So just because I was curious, I was like, well, let me try out this ceramic speed shine. And I think it's pretty new on the market. I just saw it at AutoZone a couple weeks ago. And I was like, well, will this work? And I used it a couple times in the front, just as a really quick little detail spray. I think it's supposed to be used as like a topper for Meguiar's 3-in-1 wax, but I was like, well, let me try it out. And hopefully I'll be able to insert this clip, because I took it on the iPhone. Actually, Allie took it because I was spraying it. Anyway, hopefully I can insert that clip now. It's impressive though. Wow. They're actually doing a video.
That sunglare.
That's super legit. You watch it yet? Okay, cool. But the other thing I noticed about this stuff was how well it worked with just kind of acting as a detail spray. I'm going to test it out in a little bigger spot. But the biggest thing on a black vehicle is kind of that streaky stuff that gets left behind if you don't quite buff it off all the way. And so I noticed with this stuff was how well, or their lack of, it didn't leave a lot of that kind of hazy, you can really see it on a black vehicle. It didn't leave any of that stuff behind. So I'm gonna go ahead I'm actually going to grab another microfiber because I don't have any. Just spray this panel, and then I'm going to see if it works better than some of the other stuff I've used and see how well it buffs off and see if it doesn't leave any stuff behind. So that's the plan. Let's do it. Boom. All right. I've just got a green kind of a, I'd say this is more of a towel for waterless wash essentially, and then I've got a nice soft buffing towel. So here we go. We're going to just do this general area. Just going to mist it on there. Not a lot. So yes, what I'm watching for is what does it leave behind on the surface? Grab this one and buff. And already what I'm noticing is there's just like how easy it is. It just doesn't leave any of that weird stuff. Like, and it works really well. Now, I'm just going to try spraying it into the microfiber because I just want to try it. Sorry, I'm thinking. And you see, like, oh, that's where it was dirty, and that's where it's clean. Dirty, clean. Okay. Now, let's just see what happens if I directly spray it onto the cloth. I wish I had more hands. I need more people. Let's go up into here. It really just, it works so well. It's so easy. Like,